welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming my 3 holiday gifts on a budget, and this is the collab with my friend Chellie over at Born to Book. We are co-hosting this open collaboration, and it's not too late for you guys to join in. The link to the playlist will be down below, as well as Chellie's channel. So let's jump on into what I picked up. So everything that I purchased was from the Dollar Tree because, I mean, who doesn't love the Dollar Tree? And of course that fits right on into in the budget. So my first gift is going to be a $3 gift. This is perfect for if your child has multiple teachers, or if you work in an office building and there's like 30 people you want to buy for. You want to just give them something, but you don't want to break the bank doing it either. So this is a really good gift to give women in particular. So this is just a pedicure set. There is a pair of comfy socks. Now you can go with Christmas socks, but I just like to get plain socks so you can give it to them at Christmas time and they can still use it throughout the year. And this is just a nail grooming kit and a Kiss nail polish. And those nail polishes are awesome. I always buy them there. So this is my $3 gift, and you can just give it to them just like this, or you could put it in a little bag with some candies, but this is my $3 gift. And then next is my $5 gift. So I picked up this bucket from the Dollar Tree, and I picked out the red just because it's Christmas, but you can get any color you want. And this is a hot cocoa kit. So I got the mug from the Dollar Tree, and again, the whole Christmas theme. You can get Christmas items, but I just like going with plain so they can utilize it longer. And I just got this really nice plain white mug. And then I got 3 of these glass jars, and I put cocoa in one, mini marshmallows in the other, and mini chocolate chips in this one. And I already had the cocoa, the chocolate chips, and the marshmallows because I buy a big bunch of it because we love having hot cocoa this time of the year. So I bought the big canisters at Walmart, but if you don't have any of this stuff, you can purchase it and it still be under the $10 mark. But this cost me $5 because I already had it. And then I already had these little mini spoons because we put these in Emma's lunchbox for applesauce, but I got these at the Dollar Tree as well. But like I said, I already had the spoons, the hot cocoa, the mini chocolate chips, and the marshmallows. So this gift only cost me $5. So yeah, hot cocoa kit. And I'm going to give this exactly like this. I'm not going to wrap it. I'm just going to give it to her just like this. We're going to give this to our on-cue lady. In the mornings, we always go through on-cue, and she already has our drinks ready. And then my last gift is $10. And again, everything from the Dollar Tree. And I picked out a green bin. And like I said before, I'm going to just give this gift just like this. I'm not going to wrap it. I'm not going to do anything else. I'm just going to give it just like this. Picked a green because it's Christmas, and I got all my favorite spa stuff from the Dollar Tree. So this is a head massager. You just like, you know. And then we love this bubble bath. It's my favorite bubble bath. Me and the girls go through probably like one of these a week because all 3 of us love bubble baths, and this stuff is the best. And then another manicure kit, like the sock one, and some nail polish. And a face mask. And you can buy this face mask at other places, but why spend more when you can get it at the Dollar Tree? It's the same name brand product. Is the charcoal mask. And then this is the cooling cucumber eye mask. So you put these in like the freezer or the fridge, and then you put them on your eyes, and it reduces puffiness. And I haven't tried these before, but I thought that that would be a nice addition to my basket. And then the last 3 items are all new products at the Dollar Tree, so I'm not sure the quality, but they look really, really good. So I got the coconut cream and vanilla scent in all three of these. So this is the bath salts, body oil, and these are like little face wipes. And I got those, all three of those in the coconut vanilla cream. And the bin, obviously, is $1. And I counted my bins for all my prices, so this was $10. This one's $5. And this one's $3. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. That's my 3 gifts on a budget. Each gift was under $10. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.